As part of something bigger, the future is bright at Quanex, along with the exciting product offering from the AmesburyTruth hardware team. The PowerLink tool is one of our latest innovative products that we have been developing for some time. PowerLink is an innovative, fully articulating hinged wiring conduit, which allows for power transfer to and from the sash of a window, offering seamless integration with a home or building's electrical system. It extends the ability to provide hardwired connections to the operable sash of a casement or awning window, expanding the use of smart home technologies such as switchable privacy glass, electrochromic tinting, solar energy harvesting, and motorized blinds between the glass, beyond the traditional stationary or fixed sash window applications that are being deployed today. PowerLink facilitates the transfer of electrical current or electronic signals between the operating sash and the frame. Designed with a concealed hinge conduit, it remains hidden when the window is closed and seamlessly integrates with the overall design when open. This innovative solution enables advanced smart home applications while preserving the functionality of operable casement or awning windows. PowerLink overcomes the challenges of wiring operable windows and eliminates the constraints of battery-powered systems, paving the way for more smart window installations in homes and commercial buildings. Historically, windows allowed a view to the outside, brought in natural light or fresh air, and provided a safety egress solution to exit a building in the event of a fire or other disaster. Today, newer technologies are coming to the market to expand window functionality beyond those traditional uses, and many of these technologies are also incorporating the ability to leverage smartphone or home automation systems to control features such as tinting and privacy glass. Many customers are rethinking how windows can become a centerpiece of their smart home of the future, but have been limited to stationary windows in only certain parts of the building. Until now. With the launch of PowerLink, window customers no longer have to face a trade-off between incorporating advanced smart home functionality and maintaining operable windows that allow fresh airflow or emergency egress. With PowerLink, smart windows can be deployed throughout the home, giving the ability to switch between privacy and clear views in bedrooms and bathrooms, or even harvesting energy from the transparent solar glass in an operable window, and bringing that power into the home to be used for other purposes. For window manufacturers who have decided to add switchable glazing products or other smart home technology to their window offering, such as the privacy glass solution shown here, AmesburyTruth not only provides the PowerLink product to enable a much larger portfolio offering, but we also provide design recommendations and full application support to help them integrate this product into their profile designs and window manufacturing process. This ensures the smart home solution is ready for seamless final installation in the field and integration within the home or building's electrical grid. PowerLink is targeted toward window manufacturers who are either looking to differentiate themselves from the competition or those that are responding to a homeowner's desire for more window functionality along with integration into their smart home ecosystem. PowerLink will become the enabling solution of choice for casement or awning windows. PowerLink is designed to provide a power conduit that protects the power transfer wires to ensure reliability and longevity over thousands of openings and closings, something that has been proven by extensive testing in various environmental conditions by both the AmesburyTruth product team as well as the window manufacturers who we have partnered with during the development of this product. In application, one of PowerLink's defining characteristics is that it's purposely designed to not stand out, but rather to blend as inconspicuously as possible into the overall aesthetic of the window. We have also been cognizant of the potential need to service the electrical components of the smart glass or the switchable glazing itself in the future, and provided housing options that can accommodate commonly used electrical connectors, providing installers the convenience and ease of servicing that they desire, should the need arise. Bottom line, PowerLink provides an elegant power transfer solution for the smart glass applications that exist today, with the inherent flexibility to enable future innovations. As part of Quanex, the AmesburyTruth product team is excited to keep delivering top quality products like PowerLink.